We join two similar or different types of metals using the metal joining techniques. It involves the use of high heat to join metals. In this module, we will come across the following terms: base metal, joint, and filler metal. Let's take a quick look at what they mean before learning about the metal joining processes. Base metals are the pieces of metals that we join together. A joint is the gap formed between two pieces of the base metal when we push them together to join. We need to fill this gap to join the base metals permanently. We join the base metals with the help of a filler metal. This metal acts as a glue that we use to fill the gap in the joint. It holds the base metals together just like a glue holds two pieces of paper together.